Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the evaporator fan motor grommet in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Remove all of the applicable shelving to more easily reach the evaporator fan cover. Remove the two upper bins. Uninstall the upper crisper shelving and support, being careful not to damage the glass. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 screws securing the evaporator fan cover. Set the cover aside, then unthread the 2 screws securing the motor mounting bracket. Pull the front of the bracket down to detach. Disconnect the motor wires along with the grounding wire. Pull off the fan blade. Use a small flathead screwdriver to depress the tabs to release the rear motor support. Pull out the motor and remove the old grommet. Install the new evaporator fan motor grommet by inserting it into the rear support and on the bracket. Align the motor and snap the rear support in to hold it in place. Slide the fan blade onto the motor shaft. Connect the motor wires to the terminals, along with the grounding wire. Reposition the mounting bracket and secure it with the screws. Realign the cover and rethread the screws. Reposition the upper crisper shelving and support. Replace the bins. Replace any upper shelving as necessary. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.